Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Thursday, January 8th, 2015. I wanted to do more analysis on the USO, which is ultimately the oil ETF, because I think, again, people are looking and trying to figure out, is the bottom here, or do we have another $5, $10 on spot crude to fall into the $40 range, maybe even below $40 range. And again, a couple things are popping up at me. So yesterday I talked to you guys in a video about how we had the normal kind of small bounce on the USO here, took us up yesterday. Then we had that big fall on inventories, and then you started to make a bearish pattern. And then the bearish pattern, which is unusual for the negation of it that followed here. So we had the bearish pattern. In a normal market, we would have seen a fall on oil there. Instead, we popped back up, then retraced, and again, they couldn't break us down. Notice how we were making a higher low. Here was a low, higher low. And even if you go back to the previous day, here was a low, here was a low, here was a low, here was a low, and they're all higher. In fact, you can basically draw a trend line through them, right? Now, that was yesterday, and I thought that wasn't, again, oil basically closed slightly positive, but I thought it was more important that you had this wide range bar, bearish pattern, and in the past 2 to 3 weeks, we would have seen a breakdown. Instead, you actually broke back up. That was a signal there to me that I wanted to pay more attention. Now, today, it's kind of weird. Today, we're seeing the oil trade inch up a little early and then fade here. Now, again, same thing applies here. In a normal market, and when I say normal, I mean over the last 1, 2, 3, 4 months. In the last 3, 4 months and change, you would have seen oil break down. We're not breaking down yet. Now, it doesn't mean we can't break down later today, but again, these are little signals we want to pay attention because ultimately it's a buyer versus seller situation, right? So when something falls, there's more sellers, and when something goes up, there's more buyers. And so the fact is, you're basically seeing price stay stationary, which tells me that the equal amount of sellers are in the market as buyers. Now, that's a shift. All right, now if you go and again, if we zoom out on the chart on the USO, I mean, that's a definitive shift from how it was all the way over here. I mean, you just saw way more sellers selling, selling, selling. So again, we're starting to see little minor changes here. We haven't definitively put in a bottom yet. You can't say, oh, you have a wide range reversal day. You can't say you've had 2 consecutive up days. But again, these are things we want to pay attention to and really watch closely. So again, I just wanted to keep you guys fully versed in what I'm seeing here, and kind of as I dissect the chart in my mind, I can relay that to you guys, and again, you guys can kind of understand it. But again, we're beginning to see a potential turn here, where again, normal breakdowns that would happen on the USO over the last 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 months, 5 months, whatever, aren't happening, but we haven't broken up to really see the buyers take over yet. So that's what you're looking for. If you have to look for something, guys, what I'm going to tell you right now is very simple. Watch to see if oil breaks above yesterday's high and then this level here. So to level 1 at around 1860, level 2 at 1880. If you can somehow break up there today, then that would be a very positive sign. If we stay right in this range, you don't know yet. That's going to kind of be a neutral setting where you're seeing the kind of evening out of buyers and sellers, but you haven't seen buyers take over yet. All right, guys. Again, wanted to keep you guys posted on the analysis on oil here. And again, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I've already put out 3 new swing trade alerts in the Research Center today. Awesome trades. And also a new options alert in the options alert. We took 55% profit on an options alert that we bought yesterday, just today. So again, profits are being made. Make sure you come into InTheMoneyStocks.com and join us. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. Take care.